I'll be borrowing this from Hyundai soon, and I'll give you a full report. But for now, this will be my test. My immediate feeling, the seat is very tight. I like it. It's squeezing me. So if you are maybe bigger than me, maybe it might feel small. So make sure to get a small driver so he'll be comfortable. But most of the time, I know here in the Philippines, you'll be there in the second row where you have the lazy boy with cooled and heated. But this has no massage. Let's not even dream of that in this price point. Price point of about 2.1 million. Is that going to be make it sound expensive, or is it going to be like okay? I'm here to test, and I'm going to find out if this car is worth 2.1 million, and it is worth every penny. Right now, sport mode, we have smart mode, eco mode, comfort mode, and sport. What I think about this instrument cluster, it's different. Koreans are actually complaining that they are just using the same instrument cluster for every different model. So they say it's boring. Like you buy a Sonata and you also buy a Grandeur or Azera, they basically have the same design of instrument cluster, and people are not liking that so much because they want something to be different. But in the Philippines, everything's usually different. It's not just used again. I don't know how they do it, but it's like that. In sport mode, okay, eco mode, sport mode, eco mode, comfort mode, sport mode. It feels like it affects the steering. Does it affect the steering? Makes it heavier?
Yeah, sir.
When you put
A
the sport,
little.
a little heavy. Okay, that's good. And the average, let's reset this. Para we know the average fuel consumption. So right now we'll start from 0. We do have full. No, we don't have full tank. We have about 5 bars are already consumed, but we still have good range of 486 kilometers. Why? So that's so long.
Yes, sir.
So full tank about 900 kilometer, 800
Yes, sir.
something. Wow. Must have a big gas tank. Oh, what is this? Ano kaya to? Vent pala. Ano kaya to?
Vent, sir.
Vent din yan? Hindi, dito. Sa gilid. Parang card slot. Ano to? Diretso okay lang? O kaliwa?
Diretso, sir.
Diretso lang?
Diretso.
Okay.
Turn right.
Basta follow the star, yeah.
No.
That's not yours?
Yeah.
Ah, sige, sorry. Yung Ioniq, sana yung black na Ioniq, dapat yun ang sundin. Anyway, yun. As of now, the weather's not extremely hot today. It's a bit humid, but the aircon is good right now. The aircon controls are here on the touch screen, and that could be a good thing and a bad thing. Later, I will try to turn off the engine and restart the car and see how long it takes for me to start able to control the aircon, because when the air condition system is just digital, it does take a while for it to run because it's like a computer. So when it's really hot, it's so hard sometimes. But let me see. Oh, it doesn't have remote engine start. Wala.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's one improvement that I want to see. Kaliwa o kanan?
Kanan, sir.
Kanan?
Yes, sir.
Kanan.
Turn right.
Okay. Oh, I love the drive. It's so direct.
I'm going to stop.
Okay. Alright. So kanan and kanan.
Yes, sir.
Isang ikot lang, isang ikot. Ganun yun, isang ikot.
Yes.
So kasi right now 5 o'clock. So it's people are, well, today's Sunday. That's why ang daming cars. So I don't think I can really test the speed response or the throttle response. But now in slow driving, we do have lane keep assist here, and that's like standard in Hyundai vehicles almost. And right now I'm enjoying the auto brake hold. That is why it's so easy to drive, and the brakes are very natural. It's soft, but it's not so sensitive enough to like you feel like that. Even though you hold it hard, it will not feel like biting in abruptly like when you drive, let's say a Fortuner. You will need to adjust your braking, so you will not feel that you are braking all of a sudden. Right now we just traveled 300 meters. Our average fuel consumption is 3 kilometers per liter. But later, that's why I cannot really tell you what the fuel economy will be. But whoa! Can you show this? Like this. Is it showing? Ayun. Oh! Oh wow! Ano yan?
Check surrounding safety.
Pero bakit yung hugis ay ganito, di ba?
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Okay. This is very cool. Oh. So you don't have to look up. Ah!
Yes.
Okay, just in case, you know, people are all covering this area and you cannot see through this. You can see through this. Look at me. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, let's turn off the engine. Okay. Okay, let's see how long it will turn on, and then how can I... okay, we have to turn it off for a while longer so that this computer will shut down and it will reset, because I want to see how long it takes for this to turn on. But oh, the gears are button type. Oh, electronic gear shift or button gear shift from Hyundai. Alright. So the amenities you get here for the driver is not so many, but there's wireless charging. There's 360 camera. There's no paddle shifter, but the lights are all automatic. The windshield wiper is in manual. But this one is a huge improvement from the cabin of the Stargazer. It's really nice. And I actually sat in the second row first, and that just made me feel so good. It really made me feel as if, you know, I'm riding an Alphard or something. Okay, we can press a little, but we want sport mode. Wow. To tell you honestly, we are 3 in the car, so that would be a different experience when you have full load of people. But wow, I'm expecting like this one to feel like an expander, or like say the what's the other one? Yeah, I'm expecting it to feel a bit floaty, a bit light, like the expander. But this one has a very good weight to it. Maybe because it has a lot of weight in reality, considering that it has electronic sliding doors. So I'm not sure of the actual weight of the car, but the car feels heavy, meaning you feel planted. You feel that the car is a bit expensive, and the wood and the high gloss and this silver metal accents just makes the car feel expensive. And that is what this car is supposed to do. Like if you try to buy a Staria, or if you try to buy a Carnival or Alphard or ILM, you will need to spend more than double of this car, mostly. This is a bit more expensive than the Zenix Hybrid, so I'm really enjoying the drive. And sir, your name and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Alex from Hyundai Makati.
Okay, I'll put Sir Alex's number here. Okay, so you can contact him in Pasong Tamo, right?
Yes, sir.
Yun, the new one, the big one.
Yes, sir.
Yun.
Gateway.
So Gateway Group malakas, di ba?
Oh,
So thank you so much for helping me out. He's been holding on to my camera.
okay.
Okay, now
Hello. Hello. May ano?
This is nice.
The other
Kami?
black.
Oh,
Wala ako sa office.
okay.
Nasa display ako.
Okay, blind spot warning.
Mm.
So only thing missing is the adaptive cruise control, but not everyone needs adaptive cruise control. I don't think Kuya drivers will be using the adaptive cruise control, so that's alright. Oh, smart mode. And the horn sound is good. Horn sound is good. You see the torque? The torque is really good. I mean, this is supposed to be a family van, but the torque is really good. Okay, I got it. So we're almost done with the very short drive, but finally I got to experience what it is like to drive a Custin. And is there a camera button? Oh, and then it turns off after 15 kilometers. So it's like the Nissan. And I always complain that it should be longer, because 15 kilometer you are actually driving faster than 15 even in parking parking space. So I'm just saying, yes, it's safer. You might bash me that it's for safety, yeah, but you will feel and realize that 15-second not really realistic. It's not a practical way to do this. So 360. Oh, is there a 3D? Oh, wow. Okay, what else? Meron pa? And then yun lang. Yun. Oh, yun. There. Oh, look at that. Look at, what is that car doing? Look at this. Nice. And the refresh rate is really good. Oh, wow. Can you change the color of the car? No? So make sure to buy a white one if you don't want to feel bad na ito ang kulay ng Custin mo. Okay. Oh yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll be doing a more in-depth review when I borrow the car.
1, 2, 3.
Selfie muna. So
Sa ano ka man?
wait lang. Thank you everyone for watching, and may your dreams come true, and drop by Gateway to check out the car.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.